Trivia about Miranda rights. Saan ba nanggaling ang Miranda rights? Ito ay nanggaling or it originated from the case of Ernesto Miranda versus the state of Arizona and decided in June 1966. Okay? Ito ay kaso ni Ernesto Miranda kung saan siya ay inaresto sa salang pang-rape, pang-kidnap at robbery. Okay? Wherein he signed an acknowledgement affirming sa knowledge niya about his rights without the assistance of a lawyer and affirming or confessing about those crimes that he has been charged of. Okay. Wherein in 1963, he was sentenced to suffer 55 years imprisonment, but his lawyers, okay, or the state lawyers provided to him, appealed the decision at the Supreme Court, and in June 1966, reversed the decision and stated that the confession violated his constitutional. What was violated was his constitutional rights, like the self-incrimination and, of course, the non-assistance of a lawyer. Dito na nagkaroon ng tinatawag nating Miranda rights because of the rights of Miranda or Ernesto Miranda that has been violated. Now, bakit natin pinapractice dito sa Pilipinas? Well, in fact, the case happened in Phoenix, Arizona. Okay? It's because always remember that our Constitution has been framed and codified, okay, alike or akin to the U.S. Constitution. Okay? So, ginawa ang ating Constitution, okay, katulad ng Constitution ng Amerika. That is why the decision on Miranda versus Arizona is also being adopted and carried out in our Constitution in the Philippines.